Hey, what is up, guys, and congratulations on completing the installation of WordPress section. So now we know how to install WordPress in the paid web hosting, how to install WordPress in a free web hosting using the auto installer, and how to install WordPress on our own computer if we do not want to buy any of the hosting right now and we want to install everything on our computer just for the learning purposes. So everything the WordPress should be totally same whether you are using the paid web hosting or whether you are using the free web hosting or you are using it on the computer using the XAMPP. Okay, so now this is the main part, and now we're going to be overviewing everything about the dashboard. Okay, this is the admin panel. You can see if I just go to my home page, you can see how my website is looking. Okay, this is how my website is looking and everything is coming right here. So we're going to be overviewing the basics of this, and then I'm going to show you how can you build a basic website using this theme, and then we're going to be working up with the project. Okay, so the reason why I am telling you everything about the basics is because we cannot start the project, guys, right now, because the project's about like creating a personal website, business website, professional blog, and everything. We have to first cover this section that is about the overview and the basics. So when we will learn everything about the WordPress, when we will learn 100%, not the 100%, you can call it like 50% of WordPress, then we will be able to understand everything and we will be able to work on our projects that are here. So make sure to just go ahead and complete this section. Do not miss a single video, single lecture here, because every lecture here, guys, is very important. So first of all, I want to say that you can see that this is how my website is looking. Okay, this is the default theme that is already installed by WordPress, and you can see a top bar is coming here that says that you are logged in. So it will be just coming to the administrator who is the user or who is the administrator and who is currently logged in. So you can see that I am logged in. Okay, you will not be seeing any of the profile picture. Do not worry, guys, we will learn about the profile picture later on, so do not get confused. You will not be seeing any of the profile picture, but this is how you will see your WordPress dashboard. Okay, so now what I am going to do, I'm going to tell you if a user who is not the person who is not the administrator of the website logs into your website, then you will see it like this. So I'm just going to copy, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open up the private tab. You can open this private tab by just pressing Control, Shift, and N, and the private tab will be open on Chrome browser. So now I have to paste it, and let's just go ahead and let's visit our website. So if the guy is not logged in, then he will not see that top bar, you can see. Okay, so this is how our website is looking to a normal user, and this is how our website is. Now we're going to be covering the dashboard. So how the dashboard works. So you have to just type this slash like your domain name.com, and then you have to write wp-admin. Okay, so on just writing here, you will be taken to the WordPress dashboard or the admin panel. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to hit enter. And so now you can see that I am logged in to my WordPress dashboard, and this is what we call as the WordPress dashboard. It says welcome to WordPress, and we have assembled some links to get you started. I'm not going to get you bored, okay, because I don't want to explain you everything. We will understand it when we will be moving on and working with different projects. But I'm going to be telling you that what are the things that are used the most. Okay, so on number one, we have the pages. Pages are used the most because we want to create pages. Okay, and then we have the post. So if you want to create a blog, I'll tell you later on, just don't get confused with the post right now because post confuses a lot. Okay, but we will understand it later on when we will be moving on with the WordPress. So pages are the most important thing that we always use. We can create pages and we can view all the pages right here. So you can see if we hover our mouse here, this comes. If I just go ahead and I just click all pages, you can see it's a sample page, and this is defaultly created by WordPress. If I just go ahead and I just hit view, you can see that it says the sample page, and this is how the page is looking. And here is the view of the page. You can see it says my title, and it says just another WordPress website. And here we have the page title here, and we have the page content right here. So if I just go ahead and I just want to edit this page, okay, I'm gonna go back to all pages and I just click here this edit. And on clicking here, you will see that we will be having this right here. So you can see it's a sample page. And then here we have, this is an example page and everything. And then here we have this. So this was the title and this was this. So if I just go ahead and I open it up in the new tab, then let's see how this is looking. We have the title here. This one is the title. And then we have the content right here. So then we have the content right here. Okay. So we were just talking about a really basic website. Okay. How a basic website looks like. Okay, so let's just go ahead and let's create the main pages that are the main pages. So what are the main pages? The main pages are like home page, about page, and the contact us page. So these three pages are the main page that every website should contain. And when we will create those pages, we'll learn how the menu works, how to integrate a menu here, and then how to just customize your website and design it. So when we will learn WordPress, then we will move forward with more stuff. So in the next video, I will show you that how can you create these pages, okay? And then how can you create a menu, and then how can you set up a basic website. Then I will show you how can you integrate a blog with it, because blog is also really important for a website. I will show you how you can integrate it, and then some stuffs like that, and we'll move forward with our simple, basic, and just a normal website. Okay, so then we will be moving on with more professional website. So stay tuned, guys, and bye-bye.